Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7's is here on this Easter Sunday. Okay, so I want to tell y'all, church was great. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all watched it on my video somewhat. Okay. I didn't go to church this morning, but I watched church on my television. Okay, and all of that it was Communion Sunday for Asia Baptist Church. Yep. I love Easter, bring family together and stuff like that. And I still got this with me, this Super Mario Easter egg decorating kit. Okay, and let's look on the back once again. Okay, all right, all right. So yeah, okay. And now this week I'm gonna do a Mario marathon. Okay, so make sure y'all tune in. Okay, so this video is broadcast on two channels: my gaming channel and my vlogging channel. Okay, so my gaming channel is also my vlogging channel. If you're watching this on my gaming channel, then you already know. Okay, all right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I've had a fun time over here, but I ain't going nowhere today. Yeah, the weather people say it was going to storm on Easter Sunday, but it didn't storm on Easter Sunday, thank God. Okay, I don't even remember. Long as I've been living on this earth, I don't even remember it ever raining on Easter Sunday. Okay, so again, I'm going to try my best to get Megan to be on the show. Okay, all right. So anyway, I think Megan will be on the show. Okay, so y'all look forward for that. Okay, all right. So anyway, she's a white girl, a beautiful white girl. So I cannot wait for y'all to meet her. Okay, she's cool. She got a potty mouth and stuff like that. Hopefully, she not gonna use her potty mouth on the show. Hopefully, she'll say poo poo for me. Yeah, Megan is a poo poo girl like Kristen. I call Kristen poo poo because she was dating a guy named Blake and a guy named Brad. Blake made Kristen poo poo. Well, I don't know about Brett though, but Kristen's still a poo poo girl. It's on my it's on here that rain is coming. So I'll probably do a Facebook and a YouTube live and catch the rain. Okay. All right. So all right. So if it rains sometime tonight, then it's gonna be a Easter Sunday rain. Okay. All right. So there we go. All right. So that's all Domino 7 got to say. Okay. All right. Oh, no, that's not all I got to say. My bad. I still got something else I want to say. Reverend Thibodeau preached real good, and I told Shamika that she to start watching church on her TV. Let the Lord in her house. As I can remember, she haven't been listening to church or anything. She haven't been to church in years. I haven't been to church in 2 years since the pandemic. 2019 was the last time I've ever been to church. Honestly, okay. So since I don't be going to church, I'll bring church to this house. Okay. That's what I do. I'm gonna bring church to the Domino 7 Studios. Okay. All right. So anyway, thank God, YouTube. I mean, say my church is broadcasting on YouTube instead of just on Facebook. Because I love Facebook honestly, but I can't watch Facebook on my television. I really can't. But YouTube, I love it. You know. All right, and Reverend Thibodeau, the best preacher of all, and Reverend Bridges, my my old pastor from years ago. You know, I've been baptized by Reverend Bridges. One time Reverend Bridges couldn't do the baptism, and his man, brother Stimley, Mr. Stimley, he he done a baptism. He passed away years ago. I think it was 1999 or 2000 or something like that. One of those years. All right. So I showed Mr. Stimley. All right. Never forgotten him. There's a lot more people at our church or in other churches that pass away. Well, some people from my church that I could remember. You know, okay. So I mean, Easter Sunday is all about family and friends and stuff like that. And I'm very happy to be part of this. Okay. Well, all I know is God is good all the time. Remember that, folks. God is good all the time. God is blessing you. Okay. Watching my show and stuff like that. God is the reason why I have this show and this YouTube channel. Okay. And everything else. And then hopefully my ratings gonna skyrocket and stuff like that. I keep posting and stuff, even some random videos without the title. So I gotta keep y'all interested. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep, Resurrection Day. I wanted to go see my friend Dominique Peters, Black Dominique, or should I say Dimes Peters. Okay. So she appeared on my show twice. One time on Canal Street by the Joy Theater when she was getting on a two-lane bus, and I thought I wasn't glad to see her, acting ugly with a goddamn, excuse my language though. Okay, sorry for cursing on the show. Okay. All right. And not only that though, saw Dominique again. She was in a car on Canal Street, and I filmed her. And I think I caught her daughter on the show. You know. All right, I think I did. But we'll see. Okay. All right. So I mean, I hope each and every one of y'all is having a good Easter Sunday. I know Heather Crawford is. Well, Heather Harris. Crazy from the Flavor of Love. I don't even want to talk about Flavor of Love. hmm Beautiful women. They after Flavor Flav. Well, we don't want to talk about that. So we're gonna keep that off the show. Okay. All right. So I've always wanted to interview Kelly J. Okay. I always want to interview Kelly J. That's beautiful from Flavor of Love. Okay. All right. So that's all I got to say about the call my friend Bobby and stuff like that. So, all right, thank y'all for watching. All right, peace out.